Welcome to presentation of autobiography. Name Labi Suaila Manamparan, age 17 years old, San Martin, Zambales. Welcome to story of my life. To my hobby, I love the reading the Quran, clean and my playing volleyball. Assalamualaikum, my name is Suaila and Labi. I'm dedicated student at the madrasa. To me, education is not just about learning facts or passing exam. It's lifelong journey of growth, self-discipline, and discover one purpose. My faith, education, and my family are the three pillars that shape my identity and guide me toward meaningful of life. I was raised in a home where both academic and religion knowledge were displayed values from a young age. I want touch that learn is act the worship. Is a responsibility that should be taken serious my parent, teacher, and that community. Around the coast study remind me that seeking knowledge is is not just a personal success but also a way to serve others, fulfill the purpose that Allah is for me. However, my journey has not always been easy. There were moments of self-doubt, exhaustion, and difficulty balancing my student. But with perseverance and that grace of Allah, I have continued to strive to be the best version of myself. This is my story and the journey of faith, determination, and risk for the future. From early age development developed for the Quran, Islamic teach one of my most big memory. Waking up before dawn to recite the Quran. As my parents guide me in understanding the meaning behind his sacred verse, those the quiet moment of reflection, prayer with more adjust foundation of my faith, of my life for learn. Attending the madrasa at age was both a sight and challenge. While many children my age playing outside, I would spend long hours practice my Arabic pronunciation, memorize surah, and writing down hadith. On time, I felt overwhelmed, especially when had to balance my regular academic subjects with religious studying. There were nights when struggled to understand complex Arabic grammar rules or the different meaning of a date, but I never allowed myself to give up. One of beginning challenge being wanted with the correct pronunciation of Quran verse. It took me county hours of practice to perfect my recitation and three were moments I would let discure but every challenge struck my discipline, party, and faith. Looking back, I realized that my childhood I was not just about learn facts. I was about development strong values, perceive and deep side of responsibility toward my faith and education. Today, I continue my studying at the madrasa where I further defined my knowledge of Islamic teach Quran and the recitation Tasbih Islamic faith added my daily life, remove around knowledge, apply Islamic principle, striving for personal ground. At madrasa, we not only touch to memorize and understand religion texts, but also apply this lesson our daily lives have learned what pati, humility, and kidney are not just word and book, but values that should be reflected in our action. However, my journey is not without challenge. There are days I will manage my time between my student, personal interests, and family obligation become overwhelmed. Sometimes I feel stunted, especially when trying to master the difficult concept Islamic jurisprudence or when preparing for exam but during tests started to gain knowledge. I that will benefit not only myself but also my family and community. Aside from my student, I also enjoy writing poetry and reflecting on Islamic things in my speech and expressing my touch through words, and I hope to inspire others by sharing insight from my personal experience. Every day at the madrasa step, closing my dream, I know that all the art working, but today I will shape in person. I will become future person, purpose, and service. Only day I dreams of become Islamic teacher or scholar and can pass on the knowledge I have guide to the next generation. Want to be role model for you student. I just my teacher I have inspired me. I'm too shout that education but religion and academic is the key to a meaningful and successful life. I believe that knowledge should be used to serve others. I want to help my community by teach children what to read, understand the Quran. I guide my strength, their feet, accurate that time pursue their own dreams. More than just I gaining personal success. I want my future to be about giving back. I want to help building society that values education, respect, kindness is I can make even small difference in someone's life, then all my struggles and sacrifice I will have be worth it. I know that road and it will not always be smooth, will be more challenge for adaptable, more lesson to learn about faith of Allah.